Alright, hello Hack Devpost team, and I'm Yagesh Bobde, and this is my project submission for the Hack Devpost hackathon, right? So in this video, I'll cover my feedback for the Devpost platform as well as my idea for making it better, right? Now, the overview for this slide is like I'll give you a basic introduction about Devpost, what a Hack Devpost is, what we have to submit, my honest review about the Devpost platform, suggestions from my side, and my final idea. So since we have a time limitation, I'll just give this a fast take. Okay, so Devpost is a platform where you can take part in hackathons or host your hackathons. You can get together with people, create teams, take part in competitions, learn and connect together, and as well as win prizes along the way, right? Hack Devpost is a hackathon for getting, I guess, feedbacks and suggestions from the users of Devpost platform, and if you have any ideas to better the platform, then you can submit that idea. So this is the submission format, and now talking about the honest review of my review of Devpost platform. It's a very amazing platform that adds great hackathons. I have seen creators from all levels, like from beginners, intermediate, and advanced, right? Open to all domains, right? It's not just technical platform, and we have great prizes, great networking opportunities, and it's a great way for you to contribute to the hackathons, right? So conclusion is, yeah, it's a very amazing platform, but I do still feel that there are some suggestions that you could use to make it even better. So now suggested changes are improve the UI. Like, it could be many tiny things, but I feel like aesthetics is something that you should focus on, like padding from both sides, like to center the content. This is one thing that you could work on. You can even provide dark theme, light themes. Then we have verification of hackathons. I've seen some hackathons have very less information, and they are just hard not to suspect. Okay, so I feel like you should have a better policy for verification of hackathons, then verification of prizes as well. Can they give the prizes that they specified? Then you can, if possible, increase the participation prizes. For example, if a participant actually just submit a project, then yeah, he should be given some kind of recognition, some kind of prize. I feel it doesn't have not just the winners of the top 3 tracks or something. So second is give recognition to people who share their experience. Some people who write blog stuff about their experience during with a hackathon on Devpost, or maybe a video demonstration or YouTube, or share their project. Just give them some kind of recognition, right? Create more content and how to think around the solution for a hackathon. So basically, this is the next part that I want you to, that it might be good for you to focus more on content creation on your Devpost channel. I've gone through it. I've seen what kind of content you create. It's great. You have expert talks as well. You have a lot of helpful content, but I feel like these are some of the content topics that you can use and improve on, so that it will increase your audience, and which is an organic client, right? They will come to your platform in the end. So this is the way of generating organic traffic. So I believe, yeah, you should focus more on content creation from now on. And these are the topics that you could include. Now, my idea for this submission is a browser extension that lets you browse through hackathons, set reminders, deadline, like browse through the deadlines of your registered hackathons, upcoming hackathons, filtering, bookmark projects as well, and chat with peers on the platform. So I've also designed a basic UI for this. Like, this is the prototype. This is the Figma file. This is how it looks. We have 3 pages right now, only 3 pages right now. There are a lot of things to come in this, even a sign in login page as well. So we have the first all hackathon section, second is the reminder and the deadline section, and third is the bookmark section. Not only can you bookmark hackathons, but projects as well. So this is how it looks. This, you can add reminders. You can add custom reminders, like if you want to get a reminder on your phone by halfway through the hackathon, like if it's a 10-day hackathon, you'll get a reminder on the 5th day. You can customize that as well. I feel that's a good solution. I personally will use this extension very much instead of every time going to the site. So yeah, that's my idea, the end of my video demonstration for the project. Thank you for watching.